Here's the final result. Came out really crunchy. You could hear them, but we're gonna let this dry up a little bit more.
Two ingredients for this funnel cakes, only two ingredients. So I'm using some buttermilk pancake mix as well as some 7-Up. I'm using 7-Up, but you can also use Sprite. I've seen a lot of videos with both 7-Up and Sprite. I'm just gonna measure with my eyes, to be honest. I don't want to use too much or too little. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, and for our texture, honestly, you just gotta have to eyeball it. So I'm just gonna start with around that much and see where that takes me. You want to make sure it's like a thick pancake mix consistency and less of a liquidy consistency. You definitely don't want to make it any more watery, because the more watery it is, the crazier the fryer is gonna go, or your pan with the oil. So you just want to go ahead and pour this into our bottle. So it fills up around that much. You can go ahead and make more. I'm probably gonna fill it up to around here, and so maybe another batch. Okay, so here I have my oil preheated. I want to make sure it's at 300 degrees, so check that. A good life hack, if you don't have a thermometer, is you could use a wooden spoon. So you would just have to dip it, and if it starts frying, it is ready. But if it doesn't, you should definitely give it more time. We're gonna go ahead and try this out. We're just gonna do a little funnel cake design here. Like so. As you can see, it is definitely frying up. And you can use two spatulas if it'll be easier, but I'm gonna go ahead and use some tongs and my spatula to flip it, just for some extra help here. You definitely want to make sure it's like fried enough to be able to flip it, so you gotta wait a little bit. It's gonna be quite hard. It's my first one, so we'll see how it flips. Definitely could have been better with the flipping. I guess we're just gonna have to let this fry the rest of the way, and then we're gonna go ahead and try again, because this is not the most beautiful looking funnel cake, but I'm sure the taste will be there. Okay, so now this looks around done. What I'm gonna do is I want to definitely strain all this oil off and put it onto my plate. And then just let it sit. So here's how it's looking. Definitely could have been better with the shape, but we're gonna go ahead and try again.
Sugar, sugar, na 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 na, honey, honey. Ooh.
Like that, and then you get your strawberries. I've been sitting in the little bit of sugar and syrup, homemade. And there.
I'm tearing up. Let's try this. 7-Up or Sprite, either flavor. Get that little consistent as carbon fiber. I mean carbon fiber. Carbonation, which will be more like at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this. Oh man.